Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Lariat Sport Package as well as the Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice tow hitch. We do have that nice backup camera there, mud flaps on rear, and front wheel wells, as well as a gripped running board, side view camera, as well as a blind spot detection. Moving to the front, we have front park sensing as well, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice black leather perforated seats with brown leather accents. Plenty of door space, a B&O sound system which makes your music sound pretty nice, as well as brown leathering on the door. If you don't need that extra person, you do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. You do have 2 cup holders there, 2 heated back seats, 12 volt, USB and a USB-C, and a 120 volt outlet right there. And of course, if you need a little extra room, you can always lift up the seats for additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same leathering we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, that nice brown leathering on the door, parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgate light, lights in general, blind spot, and your tailgate opener. Looking at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 23.5 kilometers. We also have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You do have leather on the top of the dash, plus storage there. You have your toggle right there, plus your phone and media. You do have your cruise control there, and volume and voice. Look at here, you do have My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Looking here, you do have your nice gear shifter, which is also collapsible, and you can adjust your speeds on the side. Plenty of storage right there, 2 cup holders, storage right here with the wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and this does close. Well, it tries to. And taking a look here, you have your rear axle lock, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist. For your drive modes, you do get, oh, that's nice, normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, and all the way to the left here, whoa, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continuing to look here, you have heated and cooled front seats, plus your heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt outlet, 120, this does open up, as well as storage in the glove compartment. You also have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which is Sirius XM capable. You have your phone, navigation, of course, your Fave app, which you can set up however you like, such as messaging, email, tailgate, and so on and so forth. Any apps you may have downloaded, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as your phone, connectivity, and so on and so forth, and features such as driving assist, zone lighting, and towing. And looking above me, we do have our feature for our rear window opener, which can come in handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF37123, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.